In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to do this, you actually would have to use the Acrobat or Acrobat Pro. However, there's one way to do it inside the Reader as well, but it's not as convenient. So let me show you. You first want to use this Tools menu over here on the right, and you want to go to the Comment tab. Now in here up top, you can see this comment box, and this is the one we're going to be using, okay? So it's called the text box. Click on it, and then whenever you do so, you can just drag it wherever you want to essentially redact. So let's say I want to redact over those three words over here. I'm just going to drag over it like this. And as you can see, for me, it's already kind of white. So by default, it's not going to be like that. You'll have to click on it, right click, and then go to Properties. Now from in here, you want to select the style from this one, which is the default and looks like this, to this one, which says no border. Whenever you do that, you can click OK. And as you can see, you can now use this kind of as a redaction tool, and you could go anywhere and basically drag these over, and it's going to redact that part. Now the only difference is, which is quite inconvenient, as you may know, if you redact, people won't be able to copy whatever is below this, but in this case, then usually it's basically you're still able to kind of copy and highlight whatever is behind this specific comment text box, okay? So just know this is only going to work for visuals over here, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.